Start recording right now.
Okay. Come on, behind you, behind you. Hey, he ran it right into me. Zach ain't taking shit with his fucking white ass. Fuck! Fuck! Damn, did you break my arm?
Huh?
Fuck!
I've been working out. That's all. Give me the ball! And then pass it.
Go get it, you fat fuck. Zach ain't gonna hit shit. He's white.
Go ahead, Zach. I'm hitting you. Push it. We already called 30 timeouts though.
What you crying for? But I'm just asking why you crying.
That's weak.
How's that weak?
Come on.
A timeout. So that foul he just fouled, that wasn't weak?
I'm saying.
That's weak too.
I call it every time.
He fouled every time we about to score?
She don't want no more. Why the fuck pick up your dribble right there? Talk to him, Zach. Talk to him, Zach. Why the fuck you pick up your dribble right there?
Too much traffic.
Because he ain't shit.
Get off me. Get your hands off me.
We ain't found this much as y'all. We got more than
now we found. God damn.
Hey, when I scored on you right here, why you push me like that?
What?
When I scored on you down there, why you push me like that?
Ball up.
I passed you like on some fat ass, bitch ass shit.
Hey, they call me Timmy B.
Look at my heart, nigga.
They call me.
Look at my heart, nigga.
Sorry, motherfucker. Hey, they call me Timmy B.
Why not just put it on 20 and hold the clock, dude?
Look, it's still running.
That shit bullshit.
My bad.
Go.
My bad.
All in. He stopped you from throwing it.
Squishing your motherfucker like that now.
Oh shit.
Sit down.
Get up!
Hey, we can see your hand in his back like this. Move.
Hell no, ain't no fucking me right here.
Say. I gotta step up. I gotta step up. He running across. That's some dumbass shit. Shut your dumb ass up. He running around. This motherfucker just letting the nigga run. That's a dumbass bitch. Hold your man or get the fuck off the court. Get your old ass off the court. I just said give me the ball and I went back to mine. Don't go to mine. Don't go to mine. I got him. I got him. That's what I just said on that play. I got him. This is my man. I got him. That's a foul. Bro, that's our ball. That's our ball. Bro, Trey just hit my whole hand. That's our ball.
Can't say foul.
He hit my hand so I couldn't grab the ball. Hey, how Trey had my hand like that? I swear to God he did. Take the ball out. You shitty motherfuckers.
How did he come out?
Now he grabbed you. Exactly. Nobody want to hear that shit. Well, he giving him buckets, bro. Man, shut the fuck up. You motherfuckers throw up dumbass shots all day. I didn't even call it. He walked like a motherfucker right there.
That's what we built on, Bobby. We built on physicality.
We just not fouling.
We built on physicality.
Just getting fucking, we ain't playing no fucking defense.
We built on physicality.
Damn, nigga.
That's a good bucket.
Little ass nigga.
Mama told me it'd be days like this. Mama told me it'd be days like this.
Damn, you call a call every play. Every play.
Y'all say I'm stupid as fuck. Y'all dick right. There's no reason.
Is that comfortable wearing it?
Mm-hmm. You can wear it the next quarter. Once, nigga. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Come on, man.
I'm gonna shit on you, boy.
Yup.
Get your fat ass off me. Come on, run. Run.
Go ahead, Rick. Watch Rick.
Fuck.
Go, man.
Who? It wasn't me. Nigga, I ran from the other side of the court all the way over here.
Man. Fuck that. Rebound. Go ahead.
Come.
Buy a bigger fucking shirt. Buy a bigger fucking shirt. You gotta go. Yeah, come get one, nigga.
Damn.
Can't hit that shit.
Bullshit.